Are you tired of dealing with itchy, irritated skin from psoriasis? Looking for natural ways to soothe your skin and get lasting relief? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share some powerful home remedies that can help reduce redness, irritation, and flare-ups naturally. Stay till the end for a bonus tip that could change your skincare routine forever. What is psoriasis? Before we dive into remedies, let's quickly understand what psoriasis is. It's a chronic skin condition where skin cells multiply too fast, causing dry, flaky patches. It's not contagious, but it can be genetic, triggered by stress, diet, or even the weather. While there's no permanent cure, you can manage it with the right skincare and natural treatments. Home remedies for psoriasis. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural healer. It reduces inflammation, hydrates the skin, and helps with irritation. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to affected areas twice a day for best results. Coconut oil. Deep moisturization. Dry skin makes psoriasis worse, so keeping it moisturized is key. Coconut oil deeply hydrates and soothes itchiness. Warm a little and apply after a shower for soft, healthy skin. Apple cider vinegar relieves itch and redness. Apple cider vinegar can calm itching and reduce inflammation. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. Dip a cotton pad and gently apply. Avoid using it on cracked skin to prevent irritation. Oatmeal bath. Instant skin relief. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast. A warm oatmeal bath can soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. Just blend oats into a fine powder, add them to your bath, and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Turmeric, a natural anti-inflammatory. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. You can drink turmeric milk or mix it with honey and apply as a paste for a natural skin boost. Extra tips for managing psoriasis. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. Reduce stress with meditation or yoga. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks. Wear loose, breathable clothing to prevent irritation. And that's it. These natural remedies can help you manage psoriasis and keep your skin healthier. Which remedy are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips.